You know how to start it? What else you do? That's just turn the lights on. You don't know how to start it? Press this button right here. Look, press that button right here. Right there. Nah, I ain't gonna show you nothing else. Press it again. Gotta press that button again, see? There you go. Do it again. Press it again. Nope. Press that button. Press it again. Press it again. Press it again. Now what you gonna do? Give it some gas. No, you're gonna break my starter. Alright, you already got that. There you go. There you go. Alright, you ready to take off riding? Oh, you're a truck. Alright, turn it off. Alright, good job.